Hi guys, I'm Alison Kittens and welcome to the AINIRO Magic Show. So in this video, I'm going to show you a little bit of an addition to our chatbot at ainiro.io. You can actually go there and try it out now if you wish. So the new thing is that you can create an image with the chatbot. So I realized I could couple these AI functions and AI workflows together to basically invoke DALL-E through their API to generate images based upon prompt. So basically what's going to happen now is that the AI chatbot invokes an AI workflow, which again is an AI function that actually invokes DALL-E through their APIs using my description as a prompt and then returns an image according to my specifications. And you can actually create fairly complex images. As you can see here now, it's going to come up with some image of the Hulk, I hope, right? In front of the Empire State Building, it seems like. So let's try to have it create something more complex. Create an epic battle between an elf and a dwarf fighting over a chest of gold coins in a forest, in a dark and gloomy magical forest with a wizard interrupting, trying to interrupt them. Well, spelling error, doesn't matter. Let's see what it comes up with. Now, the really great part of this is that it's actually ridiculously easy to install inside of your own AINIRO AI chatbot. And I'm going to show you how to do just that in a couple of seconds. Let's just have a look at what DALL-E comes up with here. And hopefully it will be a dwarf and an elf fighting in a dark magical forest over some gold coins with a wizard trying to interrupt them. And apparently it went fairly well, I guess, as you can see. So the images are 1024 pixels by 1024, but they're resized automatically inside of the AI chatbot to make sure you can see the whole image at the same time. Now, the interesting part is how I created this. You see, I went to my Magic Cloudlet. Here's my Magic Cloudlet. This is how it looks like when you log in. You go to Manage, you go to Machine Learning, and then you find any you go to training data and then you choose your type. I chose AINIRO, and then you just click add function and then you filter on image, and that's it. If you click the install button here now, you're basically given a default prompt. You need to change this typically to, I don't know, create an image, because you want the training snippet to be found as the user writes create an image, right? So the user typically needs to write create an image first, and then the chatbot comes back and asks it what prompt he wants to use for its generated image. And then you have to prompt engineer these parts a little bit. I'm using 1024 and style vivid as default values for size and style here. And the way I prompt engineered it, in case you are interested in looking at my specific training snippet for this thing, I prompt engineered it like this. Create an image, generate an image using DALL-E according to the specified prompt, and returns to caller. Prompt is mandatory and is prompt used to generate the image. If the caller does not provide you with the prompt, then ask the user for what image he wants to create before responding with the function invocation below. As you can see here, create an image. Sure, what kind of image would you like to create? Please provide me with a prompt. Then ask the user for what image he wants to create before responding with the function invocation below. As you can see here. Then the return value will be the URL for the generated image in addition to a description of the image. Return the image as markdown to the caller when you have an image URL such as follows. Markdown for an image. If the user asks you to blah blah, do not allow the user to generate more than 2 images. If I now tell it to create another image of some house in a street, right, then it's actually going to deny me to create another image. So each user can only actually generate 2 images at the max during one session. So anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.